Hey guys, hope you're all well. Right, it's Sunday. I was planning to try and have a day off, but I feel like I really should do something. So this is probably just going to be a short video where we just get one little job done on the Enfield. And then I'm going to go and put my feet up and try and have the rest of the day off. Let's see how that goes. So I am going to put the electronic ignition in, which shouldn't take too long if all goes well. So obviously we had this turn up the other day, so we've got to transplant that into there. Okay, right, I've just had to find a fixing because the ones that came with this, none of them fit. So I've got one that fits now. What I am going to do, I'm just going to set this up loosely. I'm not going to actually set the timing on this video because I can't find my gauge. So I'm just going to get it all in place, and yeah, so it's ready for when I do find my gauge. I've had a bit of a clear out, haven't I? And I've obviously lost things. So yeah, we're just going to get it in place. I'm going to try something else out with the ignition key. So I've made a little faceplate for it. Like I say, it's just going to be a short video. It's Sunday, and yeah, I'm trying to have a bit of the day off. Anyway, let's get a bit of this together and see how it looks. Do you know that really quick video, easy Sunday, have most of the day off thing I was on about? I've already got an issue. So we've got the ignition here, and we got them two contacts on there, and this obviously goes in the hours in there, but it don't fit. Then we got these, let's just zero them. The outside of these, which is 50, oh wait, hold on. Yeah, about 50.85 there, thereabouts. Then we got the bit that they've got to fit in at 50.5. I don't think I've ever experienced that one before. Unless these have changed very, very, very slightly, or this is different. I'd probably swing towards more the Enfield part of this job is different. Wow. Yeah, I did have a spare one of these. Again, I can't find it to see if there was a difference from the earlier ones. I can't see it myself. There'd be absolutely no reason to change the manufacturing process of this at all, size wise. Literally the only option I have got is to dress a bit of this out. I've got no other option. I really don't want to be grinding these in case we damage it. So yeah, I've got to take a bit of this out. I can't see any other way around it, which is a bit disappointing. Of course it wasn't going to be straightforward. It's me. Something was going to be awkward. Right. Yeah, okay. Drum sander and take a little bit out. It's only a tiny bit. There's absolutely no chance that that is going to squeeze into there. None at all. Right, we'll put the bolt in so no debris can get through. And we're going to have to make a little bit of a mess. Ew, let's get a shorter one for now in there, because that sticks out a bit. That's not going to let me in with the drum sander. Quickly find a shorter bolt. Oh, hold on, I've got one right here. That'll do it. Right, that plugs that up, sort of. Right. Bit of a pain, isn't it? Right, I'm going to fire the compressor up, so we need to make sure that is all clear. Just do it bit by bit. There we go. Straight in, and that gives me full adjustment. How about that? Never had to do that before. Not that I can recall anyway. Wow. Gotta be truthful, I wasn't entirely happy about doing that. Wasn't much choice. Anyway, it fits now. Okay. Let's just fit this. I'm just going to fit this loosely because I'm going to need to be able to spin this when I come to set the timing properly. There we go. So yeah, I'm not going to do that too tight. Now this. No, they ain't fitting either. They feel wrong. I'm not having a very good day, am I? Right, let's take that back off and check these threads. Is it just a bit of something fouling the threads up? Don't want to force it. Are they different? Let's try that one. No, they don't feel right. I should have just took the whole day off, shouldn't I? This is not how it's supposed to go. Okay, I've got to see what's going on there then. Right, found some more. These ones fit. After about 3/4 of an hour searching through drawers and stuff. Not a lot of thread goes through into there though. I think I'm going to be searching for some better ones. Okay, now for the cap. So I've stripped some of this back and put some shrink on there because it was a bit chunky, the sleeving around that. We got a posh cap. Ooh, you see through there. Yeah, it's a window. I thought it'd be a bit different. Is that lined up? Yeah, seems to be lined up. There we go. Obviously this is got to pop this back off when we set the timing. That's it. That's a bit different. Seal going on in there now. Yeah. I like it. I like it. It's just something a bit different. I thought as soon as I spotted that, I thought, oh, we got to have one of them on there. I don't mind that at all. Right, ignition key. I'm just going to try that in because I've made a little plate for that. I think that'll do me. I say it's always going to be a bit of a short video, so again, it's something else ticked off the list. Right, let's try this little plate I've made. Right, so I've spun this up on the lathe. It'll just make that look a bit better finish with the ignition in there. We'll try it in. This is sometimes a bit of a fiddle to get that around there. There we go. And that's all going to fit nicely. Yeah, that will do. It's a little bit done, a little bit of a catch up. And it's coming together nicely. And that's a little bit different. Yeah, it's the first time I've used one of them. I like it. I like seeing there. Anyway, I think I'm just going to have a bit of a clean up, ready for next week. Get the shed all organised, ready for Monday, tomorrow. And we'll crack on. There'll be a little bit of Enfield, a little bit of RM all through the week. And the main thing is we'll be getting a lot of progress. Hopefully the clutch will arrive so we can get that finalised. What else are we waiting for? I'm sure that's about it. Yeah, we should be able to start the wiring this week, which will be nice. Get that underway. Lock myself in, lock the world away, get my head down and do the job that I don't really like, but it's got to be done. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. See you soon.